Hey everyone, today we're going to do a quick tutorial on how to edit some information on an app that you've created using Lapis Guides. You can only do this if you have administrative access to be able to actually edit the field guide, etc. through our server. To do that, just go to our homepage, lapisguides.org, and in the top right you'll see a login section. So just log into the project that you are working on. I'm going to choose Petroglyphs of Kyrgyzstan, and we'll just drop in some login. So if you're an admin, you'll be able to see all these different options over here on the left-hand side, plus these two up on the top. If you're not an admin, you can still log in using your login information, but you won't see quite as many options over here. You'll be able to access the field guide for sure, as well as a couple more of these. So it allows you to be able to use the server to also add some information to our database, but you're not allowed to do any editing unless you're an admin. So let's go into the field guide section, and I want to make some changes here in the petroglyphs. So we'll choose the petroglyphs, and we've got a couple choices here for animal or man style petroglyphs or petroglyphs that are writing or a symbol. And I want to add some extra information into the description here for animal or man petroglyphs. So all I need to do is I just need to click update. I get a new window that comes up where I can change the name of this section. So animal or man, I could change that to something else if I wanted to. I can add in some new descriptions. I can put in hyperlinks to like a Wikipedia page or something. I'm going to add some information on what kind of stones petroglyphs are found on, and this is usually on desert varnish. I can also add a hyperlink to a Wikipedia page on desert varnish. I've just got a link from Wikipedia on what desert varnish is, how it's created, etc. You don't need to add a link, but oftentimes people might not know what desert varnish is, and they can click on this link as long as they've got internet access, and they'll be able to see some images of what it is and learn some information about it as well. So, and yeah, it looks good to me. At the end of this, we press save, make sure that everything else is the way that we want it. We can press save. Now, at this point, none of the changes that I've made here will be visible on the public smartphone app. Okay, that allows me to make as many changes as I want before actually publishing them, before people can see those. To make them visible, all I need to do is go up here to push update. So I click push update, and it says update push successfully, and what that means is now whenever someone turns on their app, it will upload this new information that I've added, and they'll be able to see that right away. So, like I said, really simple. It's just clicking the update button, making your changes, click save, and then choose push update. Really easy.